Hey everyone, let's talk about AI. I mean, it is the topic right now, isn't it? It promises to do pretty much everything faster, cheaper, but is it always smarter? Today we're going to dig into a source that makes a pretty bold claim that when you really need to get things done right, nothing, and I mean nothing, beats a real human expert. So let's explore that idea and see what it means for how we get work done. All right, first up, let's set the stage. We're going to frame the central debate that our source material really puts front and center. And it's a question I'm pretty sure is on a lot of our minds these days. AI can write code. It can whip up incredible images. It can sift through mountains of data in the blink of an eye. It's it's amazing, truly. But what about when you need that extra layer? Some real nuance, a unique strategy, or a true creative partner to bounce ideas off of. Is that where the algorithm kind of hits a wall? Well, the source we're looking at today suggests that, yeah, it does. And here it is, the core idea from our source, laid out plain and simple. It's not saying AI is useless, not at all, but it is saying that human expertise is the smarter choice, the premium choice, for the projects that really, truly matter. It's a direct challenge to this idea that just automating everything is always the best way to go. So let's break that down. On one side, you've got your AI tools. They are fantastic for automated generation, they've got unbelievable speed, and they can process raw data like nobody's business. But on the other side, you have real live experts. And they bring strategic insight, custom creativity, stuff that isn't just a mashup of what's already out there, and maybe most importantly, a collaborative partnership. Our source puts it perfectly. AI is a tool, but a person is a teammate. Okay, so if we're arguing that we need human experts, the next obvious question is, well, where in the world do you find them? Our source material actually points to a very specific solution. The idea our source presents is a global marketplace of trusted freelancers. Think about it, a single place where you can connect with a specialist for literally any task you can think of. It's all about moving beyond the limits of what an algorithm can do on its own. So the platform that's highlighted here is Fiverr. If you're not familiar, it's basically this huge online hub that connects businesses with freelance pros for all kinds of digital services. We're talking everything from logo design and website building to running your ad campaigns. It's kind of the perfect case study for where all this human expertise is gathering and being put to work. So just how vast is this world of services? I mean, what can you actually get done? Let's take a quick look at the sheer breadth of expertise you can find in this human talent pool. Now, this is fascinating. Look at that very first category, AI services. So you can literally hire human experts to help you build AI chatbots or create short AI videos. It kind of reframes the whole debate, right? It's not about humans versus AI. It's about humans leveraging AI to do cool stuff. And then, of course, you've got all the other heavy hitters, creative and design, marketing, and professional services like resume writing. To really get a feel for the variety here, let's do a quick, rapid-fire run-through of just a few of the specific skills you can tap into. It's pretty wild. So you need an AI chatbot for your website. A real expert can build and customize it to match your brand's unique voice and, handle those tricky customer questions that a generic model might just totally fumble. How about a logo that actually stands out and means something? A human designer can dig in and capture the real story and soul of your brand, something an algorithm which has never lived your story might miss. Let's say you've got hours and hours of raw video footage. A skilled video editor can watch it all, find that one narrative thread, set the perfect emotional tone, and weave it all into a story that people actually want to watch. And running a successful Google Ads campaign? That takes human strategy. It's not just about automation. You need a person who can analyze the market, see what's happening, and adapt to trends in real time. And for something as personal as your resume, come on, an expert writer can take your experience and frame it in a way that really connects with recruiters and gets you past all those automated screening bots. What's really cool is that our source also points out that these marketplaces become more than just a place to hire people. They turn into these whole ecosystems. They start offering up resources and data-driven guides on things like service tiers, how to grow on Instagram, and even analysis on surging trends, like the demand for AI services themselves. So, all of this brings us right back to that central question, that big theme from the source material. What's the best role for our technology, and what is the best and maybe irreplaceable role for people? And this is the big promise, right? The ultimate value proposition here is just simplicity and access.
The idea that from one single link, one starting point, you can unlock this almost infinite pool of specialized human talent that's ready to help you hit your goals.
And that's really the key takeaway from the source. It's laying out a guide, a roadmap for navigating this new world of work, helping you find the right person for your project, not just the fastest algorithm.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. For your next project, whatever you're working on, a business idea, a creative passion, a personal goal, ask yourself, what does smarter really mean? Is it just about pure speed and automation? Or is it about collaboration, strategy, and that little spark of human creativity? The answer, as always, is probably somewhere in the middle.